Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying about adjectives. We all know adjectives which tells the quality of a noun and a pronoun. So let's just begin. Title of our chapter is the adjective, right? You just have to look at the picture and provide suitable adjective for it. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is the lotus, right? It is pink in color. के petals green color के हैं, right? You just read the following sentences carefully that there are many birds on the earth. बहुत सारे birds हैं, but peacock जो है, it is one of the most beautiful birds. बहुत ही सुंदर bird है. इसके पास long blue neck है. इसके feathers बहुत ही ज़्यादा attractive and colorful हैं. It lives on farms and of course garden में रहते हैं. Insects और fruits के खाते हैं और poisonous snakes भी खा लेते हैं. When it rains, then of course it dances gracefully. बहुत ही अच्छे से dance. In the above paragraph, जो colored words हैं, they basically qualify the nouns peacock, neck, feather, snake, and hence, of course, they are known as adjectives, right? So thus we can say adjectives are those words which tells the quality of a noun and a pronoun, or you can say which qualifies this, and they are used to describe the nouns and pronouns. The first one is the kinds of adjective. The first one, adjectives जो हैं, they are of following type. First is the adjective of quality. That tells the quality. It basically shows the quality of a person, एनिमल और थिंग. इसको हम बोलेंगे एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. एंड ओल्ड वुमन, इट गोज ऑन द रोड पे जाते हैं. द काइंड बॉय हेल्प द बेगर, बेगर को हेल्प कर रहे हैं. अबव सेंटेंसेस में जो ओल्ड और काइंड है, इट बेसिकली शोज द क्वालिटी ऑफ वुमन एंड बॉडी respectively. Adjective of quality, it answers the question, that is what kind of. Moving on to the next is adjective of quantity. Adjective basically which shows the quantity of something, उसको हम बोलेंगे adjective of quantity. I have a few milk, मेरे पास एक milk है, and there is a little water in a jug, right? In the above sentences, a little or of course a few and little, basically it shows the quantity of a milk and water respectively. So it basically जो quantity है, adjective of quantity, it answers the question how much. Next is adjective of number. Adjective of number basically shows that how many persons or things are there, or in which basically they show that what order a person or a thing stands. जिसको हम adjective of number बोलते हैं, and they answers the question how many, कितना. The fifth girl scored the highest mark and two boys, they were talking to each other. So above sentences में fifth and two basically shows the order of the girl and of course the number of boys respectively. Demonstrative adjective means this, that, these, those. They basically point out the person or thing जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं. इसको हम demonstrative adjectives बोलते हैं. In case of singular, this or that. In case of plural, these and those, they are used, right? So this bike is old, बहुत ही पुरानी है. That bike is new, वो नहीं है. These grapes are yours and those grapes are ours, वो हमारे हैं. Above sentences में this, that, these, those basically क्या point out करते हैं? Bike और grapes, mangoes respectively. So they basically demonstrative adjective, it answers the question which. Interrogative adjective, as the name suggests, questions. So words which answers, word with nouns to ask the questions, इनको हम interrogative adjective बोलते हैं. जैसे what information he gave you, क्या दिया. Which book is yours, कौन सी book आपकी है. Whose permission did you seek, किसकी permission आपने लिया. In the above sentences, what, which, whose, they are used with the noun जिसको हम बोलते हैं information, book और permission, and hence they are interrogative adjective. Possessive adjective means shows the belongingness. So the pronouns that are used with noun to show the possessions, इनको हम possessive adjectives बोलते हैं. His, her, it's, my, our, their, all are possessive adjectives. जैसे this is my house, ये मेरा घर है. That is your book, ये आपकी किताब है. Seema is his sister and they love their parents. Moving on to a quick short fact file. What is used to answer the question in general sense, or which is used basically in answering those questions, that is in selective sense, किसी भी चीज की choice में. Proper objectives क्या होते हैं? They are formed with proper nouns, जिसको हम proper objectives बोलेंगे. जैसे कि I love Chinese food, मुझे चाइनीज फूड बहुत पसंद है. You give me a French book. Jay meets an Italian boy at the airport. So above sentences में this Chinese, this Italian and the French, they are formed from the proper nouns, that is China, France and Italy, right? How you can form of these adjective, that is formation of adjectives. So there is a lot of dirt and this is the table, यही है वो dirty table. So the noun जो है dirt, in the first sentence it is converted to the adjective, that is dirty, in the second sentence. Thus adjective can be formed by verbs, noun as well as other objectives as well. Learn the following adjectives from nouns and from verbs. जैसे कि हम देखते हैं noun और adjective है. boy का boyish हो गया. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? verb से अगर हम बनाए adjective का, act का active हो गया. तो first we'll be completing this. child का childish हो गया. girl का girlish हो गया. right? laugh का laughable हो गया. pain का painful हो गया. and hope का hopeful हो गया. right? नेक्स्ट इज ब्यूटिफाई का ब्यूटीफुल हो गया. क्लैरिफाई का क्लियर हो गया. मूव का मूवेबल हो गया है. टॉक का टॉकेटिव हो गया है. एंड अग्री का एग्रीएबल हो राइट. फ्रॉम अदर एग्जेक्टिव से अगर हम देखें, देखिए एग्जेक्टिव एग्जेक्टिव और एग्जेक्टिव और एग्जेक्टिव, जैसे कि केयर का केयरफुल, क्रिएट का क्रिएटिव. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज अटेंशन का अटेंटिव, रेड का रेडिश. नेक्स्ट इज ब्लू का ब्लूइश, रेड का रेडिश. राइट. इसी तरीके से कॉमिक का कॉमिकल एंड गोल्डन का गोल्ड का गोल्डन, पिंक का पिंकिश एंड सिक का सिकली. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट इज अ शॉर्ट रिकैप. तो वर्ड्स विच क्वालिफाई नाउन एंड प्रोनाउंस, उनको हम एग्जेक्टिव बोलते हैं. द वर्ड्स एग्जेक्टिव 7 टाइप्स के होते हैं: क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी, नंबर, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव, इंटरोगेटिव, possessive and proper adjectives respectively. We can make adjective from the nouns, pronoun as well as other adjectives. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be completing with this OMR sheet. Right, adjectives basically what they qualifies, what noun and pronoun both. So answer is C over here. This is an adjective of quality. Quality hai, that is good. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Adjective of number is how many, right? Moving on to the next, you have to fill in the blanks with the following suitable adjectives, right? Shivi is the dash girl. Shivi is a clever girl, right? There is a dash tea in the jug. There is a little tea in the jug, right? There are dash students. There are few students in the class. So there are dash, there are 5 students in the class. Not few, just 5, right? So there are 5 students in the class, right? They bought a dash TV, they bought a Chinese TV, right? Dash animal is this, which animal is this? This is the choice, and this blank is in the starting, that is why W is capital. In the blank, dash men are worthy of a lot of respect. Those, so T क्या आ गया है? Capital आ गया है, right? You have to underline the adjectives and just answer the following कि वो किस kind के हैं. These are some apples. Some means क्या है ये? Adjective of quantity, right? So I'm just writing its adjective of quantity. Right. Next is there is a little coffee. बहुत ही थोड़ी सी coffee है. So this is again a quantity. Right. The boy is carrying 5 bats. This is an adjective of number. Right. Pile sat in the 3rd row. Again, this is number. Kajal is an expert in cooking. Expert है. This is the quality. उसकी quality है ये. This is an adjective of quality. There are 2 peacocks. Adjective of number, of course. Old man is very wise. Of course, this is a quality. Right? The fat boy जो है, it sat on the bench. Fat है. This is the quality again. Next, you have to circle out the adjectives which do not belong to that group. You have to give the reason. देखिए, beautiful, ugly, black and some. देखिए some है जो ये इससे नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये क्या है? Adjective of quantity है. बाकी सब जो है, some is not an adjective of quality, it's quantity. Which, that, these, those. देखिए which है गलत, मतलब which नहीं आएगा क्योंकि बाकी सब जो है they are demonstrative. All these are demonstrative. This is not demonstrative. तो आप लिख सकते हैं this is not an adjective of demonstrative. थर्ड, 8, सेकेंड एंड ग्रीन. देखिए ग्रीन नहीं होगा क्योंकि वो जो है एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. आप लिख सकते हैं नॉट एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर, राइट? बल्क, लॉन्ग, सार एंड फोर. अगेन दिस फोर, दिस इज नॉट एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. ओके, बाकी सब क्वालिटी है. लिटिल, सफिशिएंट, एनी, बिग. देखिए लिटिल, सफिशिएंट, एनी, ये सब क्या है? क्वालिटी है. ये सब क्या है? क्वांटिटी है. वेयर एज बिग जो है वो क्वालिटी है. तो इट इज नॉट एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी, राइट? जापानीज, क्यूट, इंडियन एंड चाइनीज, ये सब क्या है? दे बिलोंग्स टू एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. और ये जो क्यूट है, दिस इज नॉट अ क्वालिटी. विच, whose, what, ये देखिए which आएगा बिल्कुल अलग क्योंकि बाकी सारे के सारे जो हैं वो क्या है? demonstrative. Let me see it. Which, what, whose and who. बिकॉज ये क्या है, इट इज नॉट एन इंटेरोगेटिव, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज दिस क्लेवर रेड प्रिटी. देखिए दिस आएगा बिकॉज ये क्या है, एडजेक्टिव, इट इज नॉट एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी, राइट. यू हैव टू फॉर्म द एडजेक्टिव फ्रॉम द गिवन ब्रैकेट्स. दैट इज बॉय का बॉयश, राइट. गोल्ड का इट्स गोल्डन, गर्ल का इट्स गर्लिश, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज एक्ट का एक्टिंग, और यू कैन से एक्ट का एक्शन, राइट. पॉपुलैरिटी का आप कह सकते हैं इट्स पॉपुलर, राइट. फेम का फेमस, राइट. वायलेंस का वायलेंट, सेंस का सेंसिबल, राइट. रेड का इट्स रेडिश, एंड सिल्क का, देखिए सिल्क का सिल्की, राइट. एंड लेंथ का लेंदी, and wisdom ka wise, right. So that was all about adjectives. Please go through this very important part of speech. Keep reading each day and stay blessed. Thank you.